Okay, back in Word, now that I've got my Endnote library set up, I can start using it. So normally if you're adding citations at the end of a sentence, you would do it before the full stop, and you'd probably add a space in there, and you can see that I've got my my document formatting marks turned on just so I can see what it's doing. Wherever I want my citation to go, I'll put the cursor there, go into the Endnote tab at the top of Word, insert citation, search for the article that I want, and you can search for any keyword or author and it will find everything that might be a match. Perhaps I want this second one about the influence of pets on blood pressure. Now if I'm consolidating some arguments from a couple of different papers and I need to cite them together, normally you have to fiddle around with where the brackets go, but in this case just let Endnote do the work for you. So if I need 2 or 3 citations together, just pop them in and let Endnote work it out. Insert, and it will sort out the order and the commas and all that sort of thing. And so this is our in-text citation. It will also add at the end of the document a reference list. So I'll go down to the bottom there. There it is. So I might just add a title, references, make that a heading and take out the number. Usually if you have an appendix it would go after your references. Oh, I did have the references there. It does sometimes not put it exactly where you're expecting it to go. I'll delete that one. So I'm just keeping an eye on my outliner here to see how many headings I've got there. There's a heading there, I'll take that out. So if I have an appendix, I'll put that in after I've constructed my reference list just to make sure everything pops in the right spot. Now, if I need to reformat the reference list according to a particular style, I can do that choosing the style here. So currently it's set at APA 6th. I might want that as Chicago, and it will change the style of the references here, but also for my in-text citation it's only added them as a footnote. I'll choose a different one. It will add them, change them there too. So that's a general numbered format. You might be after Vancouver. It's just changed the brackets. And every time you change anything, it'll reformat it at the bottom to match. So it really will save you a lot of time in handling your references.